Today, we're joined by Walter Ting, our VP of Crypto Strategy here at FS Insights. So, Walter, recently there have been a plethora of headlines surrounding Canto at New Layer 1, particularly the token price and its increase of 500% within the last month. So, recently you published a piece covering this new experimental Layer 1. So, could you give us a little insight on that?
Yeah, but before we dive deeper into Canto, it is important to recognize some of the trends that has made it popular today. Firstly, the bear markets of 2022 exposed inorganic growth of most VC-backed Layer 1s, inflated by ecosystem funds and incessant marketing. Apart from that, DeFi protocols are also integrating more product verticals into their suites to maintain their edge, the most prominent example being Frax Finance. Application-specific blockchains are also gaining momentum over general smart contract networks due to their customizability. All that's to say, Canto is a combination of all of the above, a non-VC-backed Layer 1 chain striving to deliver on the ideologies of DeFi with what they call free public infrastructure, with its own native DEX, the Canto DEX, their own native lending platform, Canto lending market, and their own unit of account, the Note stablecoin. Canto is the native token for the network and is used to pay gas and to secure the proof-of-stake network. At Genesis, 15% of Canto token supply was circulated, of which 2% was airdropped and 13% further allocated to initial contributors. The rest of the tokens are scheduled to be distributed through liquidity mining pools on the Canto lending market. While Canto definitely has lofty ambitions, their execution so far has lagged relative to the excitement surrounding their network. Users who initially bridge to the chain are faced with a subpar user experience due to a buggy interface and a constantly depleted faucet for gas. Moreover, some of the design of the network, such as the fee split model implemented by the team, actually enforces a royalty to contract developers and may create distorted incentives that extracts value to the Canto token. Despite not having initial backers, the network faces issues of ownership concentration amongst early farmers, given that the majority of tokens are emitted through these medium to long-term incentives, as we described before. We write about these issues more extensively in the latest version of DeFi Digest.